Hey guys, I'm Taylor McLaughlin with Harris Group Real Estate at Keller Williams. While COVID-19 has shifted things a little bit, it hasn't brought things to a halt. We're going to be taking the right safety precautions at our open house this Sunday from 1 to 3 at a beautiful modern home in the Lakes at Valley West at 476 Herstal Way. One thing that's different about attending an open house during this time is that we ask that you and the rest of your party would please sanitize your hands before entering the home. Before you arrive to the open house, I will have sanitized all the countertops, light switches, and doorknobs. This home features 1,794 square feet, 3-bed, 2.5 bath, a beautiful kitchen with quartz countertops, a gas stove, and awesome pendant lights, as well as a vaulted ceiling in the living room and a gas fireplace. So be sure to come by this Sunday, May 10th from 1 to 3 o'clock and check this out. I look forward to seeing you there.